Headlines making the morning news. 13-year-old stabbed to death in Westmoreland. Suspect in Santa Cruz robbery turns up at hospital with gunshot wound. 13-year-old stabbed to death identified. Former Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has been hospitalized. Observer Online has been reliably informed that Simpson was rushed to the corporate area hospital on Thursday night. Her condition is not known at this time. More details to come. The 13-year-old female who was stabbed to death in Westmoreland has been identified by relatives as Kamaya Jenkinson. Jenkinson, who was a student of the Spot Valley High School in St. James, is said to have been visiting relatives for the Easter holiday. Reports are that on Thursday afternoon there was an altercation between the teen and another female when a knife was brought into play. Jenkinson was stabbed in the upper body. She was transported to the Savannah Lamar Public General Hospital where she was pronounced dead. Jackson is said to have been a fun-loving person who always wore a smile and was very interested in her school. Her attacker is said to be in police custody. Police are reporting that a man believed to be one of 5 gunmen who held up and robbed a licensed firearm holder at a supermarket in Santa Cruz on Thursday morning turned up at the hospital with a gunshot wound in his foot. It is believed that the man accidentally shot himself during the robbery on Main Street in the town. A police source confirmed the incident, which reportedly happened about 7:30 a.m. It is reported that the licensed firearm holder, who is said to be an employee of the supermarket, was disarmed by the robbers who made off with the weapon. Observer Online understands that the robbers failed to gain access to a safe and reportedly escaped in a Toyota Wish motor car. The latest incident followed Wednesday's attempt robbery by gunmen on Beryllium Couriers on Bogue Hill near Balaclava in St. Elizabeth.